Elekworld Technology Company Limited is a professional company specializing in smartphone, tablet parts and accessory such as LCD screen, battery, MFi USB cable, power bank, repair tool. With a young and ambitious team, we dedicated ourselves to product research and quality control. After 10 years of hard work, we've established rich products line and standardized working procedure. We believe customer satisfaction is the source of our success, and customers' profitability brings win-win relationship. Our professional and customer-oriented sales team will help you always get supreme quality, competitive price, and brilliant service. Behind customers' praise, its high-efficiency logistics system, professional QC and creative R&D. Advanced barcode system helps customer improving stock efficiency and accuracy. We test every screen before shipment. Then grade package protect products without any damage during delivery. Also, our strong factory fulfills order quickly after payment received, which speeds customers' business effectively. By now, we have developed two brands, Elekworld EBS and eCoupa, covering phone screen, battery, USB cable, repairing tool, power bank. They have passed CE, ROS, PSE, MSDS certification, which guarantees order can be imported and sold without any problems. Elekworld not only provide qualified products, but also share inside tech support and latest market trend analysis to customers. If you are looking for a reliable and long-term partner, Elekworld are the right choice.
We are so proud to work in Elekworld and support you with qualified products.
Happy to make profit is our ultimate goal. Let's win-win together. Welcome to Elekworld.